Hey everyone, what's going on, wise wellness warriors? Summer's calling our names, but maybe our bodies aren't quite ready to hit the beach just yet. No worries, fam. That's why we're here to create a summer body blitz plan that actually works and, more importantly, is sustainable. Forget the crash diets and crazy workouts. We're about building healthy habits that get results and keeps you sane. Did you know? Studies show a combination of healthy eating and exercise is the most effective way to lose weight and keep it off. That's right. So, let's break this down into two key areas: fueling your fantastic body and moving your marvelous muscles. Think of yourself as a high-performance machine. You need the right fuel to perform your best. Ditch the processed junk and focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish you from the inside out. We're talking fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. You know the drill. Here's my favorite secret weapon: swapping sugary drinks for water with a squeeze of lemon or berries. Water keeps you hydrated, flushes toxins, and can even help you feel fuller longer. It's a win-win. Like and subscribe if you're ready to ditch the sugary drinks and level up your health. What's your favorite way to flavor your water? Let me know in the comments below. Speaking of feeling fuller, let's talk portion control. Imagine your plate divided into sections: half for colorful veggies, a quarter for lean protein, and the last quarter for whole grains. This simple strategy helps you stay balanced and avoid overindulging. A 2017 study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that mindful eating practices like portion control can lead to significant weight loss. Okay, enough with the science talk for a sec. Let's be real. Everyone wants to know how to target that stubborn belly fat. Here's the deal. Losing fat in just one area isn't really a thing, but focusing on overall weight loss and building muscle, you'll see a difference in your entire body, including your midsection. Here's what you can do for a 4-week belly fat blitz. But remember, consistency is key. Cut out sugary drinks and processed foods. These are loaded with empty calories that contribute to belly fat storage. Increase your protein intake. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer and can boost your metabolism. Aim for lean protein sources like grilled chicken, fish, or beans at every meal. Up your fiber intake. Fiber keeps you feeling satisfied and helps regulate your digestive system. Think fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Drink green tea daily. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can help with fat burning and overall health. Incorporate strength training at least 2 to 3 times a week. Building muscles burns more calories at rest, even when you're not working out. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Don't have gym access? No problem. There are a ton of amazing body weight workout videos online. Do some form of cardio most days of the week. This could be anything from brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. A 2020 meta-analysis published in the journal Obesity Reviews found that a combination of strength training and cardio is the most effective way to lose belly fat and improve overall body composition. Conquer your summer body blitz with a built-in buddy system. Alright everyone, listen up. Here's the real kicker that's going to make your summer body blitz a total success: accountability. You're not alone in this journey. Having a partner by your side can be the ultimate game changer. Think of it like having your own personal cheerleader and a gentle nudge when you need it the most. Here's why finding a summer body blitz buddy is your secret weapon. Double the motivation, half the effort. Working out or making healthy choices can feel daunting when you're going solo, but with a friend, you'll motivate each other to push through tough workouts and celebrate non-scale victories together. Plus, commiserating over cravings is way more fun with a teammate. Keeping it real with accountability. We all have those days where the couch seems more appealing than the gym. But with a buddy, you have someone to hold you accountable. Here are the few accountability tricks to keep you and your partner on track. Become progress picture partners. Try saying that 3 times. Schedule a time each day to take progress pictures and measurements. Seeing your body transformation together will fuel your motivation and keep you focused on your goals. FaceTime food check-ins. This might sound intense. Before each meal, FaceTime your buddy and show them what you're about to eat. This simple check-in can help you avoid unhealthy choices and make healthier decisions together. Sweat session made social. Find a workout buddy who shares your fitness goals or at least enjoys similar activities. Whether it's hitting the gym, taking a group fitness class, or going for a scenic hike, having someone to share the experience with makes it more fun and keeps you both engaged. Now remember, the perfect summer body blitz buddy doesn't have to be a fitness fanatic. It can be a friend, family member, or even an online accountability partner you connect with through fitness forum. The key is to find someone who supports your goal and is willing to be there for you every step of the way. Here's the twist. Want to find your ideal partner without the awkward, "Hey, want to be my accountability partner?" conversation? Join our thriving Facebook community called Wise Wellness Wisdom. Thousands of members are on this journey with you, and many are actively seeking accountability partners. Here's how it works. Once you join, simply post that you're looking for a summer body blitz buddy. You can specify your preferred communication style, text, call, email, and fitness goals. With so many members, you're practically guaranteed to find your perfect match. Ready to conquer your summer body blitz with a built-in support system? Let me know in the comments below who you'll be recruiting as your accountability partner. Plus, share any other tips you use to stay motivated on your fitness journey. Speaking of building a support system, the Wise Wellness Warrior community is growing strong, but we still have a ways to go before reaching our goal of 100,000 subscribers. If you're finding value in these videos and want to see more content to help you reach your health and fitness goals, subscribing takes just a 0.1 second click of that red button below. It means the world to us and helps us keep creating amazing content for you. You got this. Now go conquer your goals.